Good morning, guys. How you guys all doing today? You guys, I never thought that the day would come when I'll be saying this, but I'm actually going to say it. So I haven't vlogged in a bit because of a couple of reasons. Number one, the job hunting. I've talked about it so many times on this channel. I'm pretty sure you guys know that I've been job hunting very well. I have good news. And yeah, I have good news. Anyways, but that's beside the point, but I don't want to say so much. That's number one. And then I've been trying to move apartments, so I've moved apartments. I'm in a new place now, so like the apartment hunt and everything, so I haven't really been settled. That's why I haven't vlogged. I started a training which is supposed to be virtual, but we're kind of doing it mixed for now. So I've been trying to figure out my way to the office. I keep getting lost. Thankfully, I made a friend at the training where she lives around the same area, so we come back together ish. But like I used like 2 weeks to figure my way to this training. I don't want to talk too much about this. You guys remember this particular girl who she's on TikTok, and she did a day in her life working at one very big corporation. I'm not going to say the name, and I believe she got fired for it. So I'm going to show you guys a day in my life, my 9 to 5 morning routine, going to my training, and yeah, you guys should follow along. It's going to be a really interesting vlog, you guys. I put effort into this as per usual, but yeah, oh my god, I wasn't recording, so it's been very difficult for me to vlog as well, you guys. I'm going to say that because I've been using a phone to vlog, my iPhone, and if you guys know, using a phone is just as good as a camera these days. It shoots in 4K and everything. However, there's no space on my phone, so what I've been having to do lately is I have to take the clips, upload them, download it on my laptop, because I can't transfer directly from my phone to my laptop, from iPhone to my Dell. Download it, convert it to MP4, and then edit it. And you guys know that I make a lot of clips because I do a lot of B-rolls. I like my vlogs to be very cinematic and stuff, so but I just said, you know what, in that say, you're gonna make the best of what you have, especially since people miss you so much. You guys, this is the most exciting part for me. Like, you guys are actually looking for me, like, where have you been? I'm so touched. So here's a vlog for you guys today, and I promise to be back and to be more consistent. If you feel like sowing a seed of a new phone or a camera into my life, it must be God talking to you. Do it today. I'm not begging. Anyways, so you guys, yeah, morning routine in my life. Let's get it. Yes, guys, it's a brand new day. I opened my eyes. I'm thankful and I'm grateful to God. Sometimes I would gratitude journal. Most times I just lay in bed saying a prayer. And then the next thing I would do is I would go into the bathroom, obviously. And you guys know the drill, because I'm sure each and every one of us does this every single day. Brush our teeth, take our bath. The next thing I would do is I would select an outfit for the day. I typically don't select my outfits beforehand because I like to surprise myself. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. You guys let me know in the comment section. Anyways, I chose this cute blue number. But then, hold up, you guys. I decided to check my phone, because in this Canada, you don't step outside without checking the weather. I checked the weather and I saw that this blue will not blow today because it's cold outside. The next step in my morning routine is I have my breakfast, which is usually my green tea that I make the night before. Then I set another batch on the stove so that I can make another set of green tea that I'm going to carry to work. The next thing I do is I soak my chia seeds in almond milk, if I don't do this the night before, so that I can use it for a smoothie when I'm back from work in the evening. This is going off to the fridge, guys. So I don't know if you guys remember from my Nigerian morning routine, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and I would normally chop them up and carry it to lunch for work because I'm not a breakfast person. I don't have breakfast, as I said before. So I like to chop up my fruits and vegetables just in case I get hungry, and then I can have it in the office. However, I'm going to tell you guys something about this process. Now, the thing with this particular process, you guys are going to laugh at me, is 97% of the time it doesn't work. But anyways, I'll tell you guys more about it later. I like to arrange my vegetables to just make them look pretty, and what's the word? When you crave something, when you want to eat something. So I just like to make it look pretty and colorful and inviting. I think inviting is the word. Yes, you guys. So yeah, I added some baby carrots, and my dip is usually hummus. I showed you guys earlier. Then I put my green tea in the flask, and I get ready to go to work. Lunch is packed, my green tea is packed, and I'm all set and ready. So I'm currently staying at a friend's place in the meantime, because I told you guys I'm in between moving apartments. Yeah, so I figured out a way to my training from her house, and on the mornings where I get up a little bit late, I would book a taxi that would drop me at the GO train station, which is very close to her apartment, and then obviously I just enjoy the morning ride. So I'm going to sign in with my Presto card. The Presto card is your access to the public transportations, and for some reason my card was empty. However, that is probably deliberate, you guys. This is my third Presto card. The first one I loaded $50. I lost it when it was on $20. The second one, the same thing. So I've decided to just be paying as I'm going. I'm done loading my card, and I've taken my receipts. However, when I tried to tap in, it said I should reload funds again, but I was in too much of a hurry. I was like, I'm going to sort that out later. So I just kept moving, you guys. It's almost time for my training. The train is here, guys, and for some reason I really enjoy my commutes to work. I don't know why. You guys, please tell me I'm not the only one that enjoys just the scenery and the views. But you guys, I'm going to tell you a quick story time. So when I started this training, moving to the place where we have the training from my friend's house was very difficult for me at first, because when I wake up I check Google Maps, and Google Maps shows me different alternative routes. You guys, it got so frustrating. Google Maps would tell me walk 2 minutes and wait for the bus. No bus would show up for 10 minutes, you guys. Like, I would get on the wrong bus, and then another wrong bus, and then another wrong bus, and eventually have to use an Uber so I don't look tardy and tacky. And eventually I found this route and I stuck with it. I said, you know what, nothing is going to make me change this route. Plus, I really enjoy the scenery from this route, and it's not like the bus that stops so many times, and the times can be really, really crowded. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my ride to the office. You guys should probably sit back and enjoy this ride with me as well. Typically just enjoy a good view with buildings or with nature, just vibes to enjoy with me. So I get off after a few stops, and this is the part where I need to take the subway. So I walk like maybe 3 to 5 minutes within the station. And you guys, I don't know, like I said before, I really just enjoy my commute to work and also my commute back from the training. One thing that never ceases to amaze me, you guys, is the number of people just moving on the go. Like every single day when I have to change to the next subway and I witness this number of people, I'm always so overwhelmed. It makes me realize like we're just a number on this planet and we just have to make the best of our days and do the most we can with what we have and just be happy. There's just so many people. You guys won't believe it's the day I decided to vlog for you people that there was a delay on the train station. Anyways, it's almost here now after like a 30 minutes to 1 hour wait. Some of my colleagues were stuck on the train actually inside. But yeah, I don't think it happens all the time. And anyways, eventually it's here. So I'm just gonna go in now and enjoy the ride. So most times what I normally do is I would download some videos on YouTube or some podcasts or something on Netflix that I just like to listen to and enjoy, or probably read something during my commute to and from the training. And I just find it so wholesome because there is no internet on most of the commute because it's underground. So I can't really use that time to speak to my friends and loved ones, to Casey and all of that. So I just enjoyed the scenery and listened to good music. You guys, we finally made it. I can't even believe it. Like, it's the day I decided to vlog for you people that the train will start this video. Anyways, so finally we are here, and yes, the rest of the commute is just like a few minutes walk, obviously. If not, I wouldn't be walking 20 minutes in this weather. No, it's not gonna happen. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but you must have if you've been following my vlogs. I'm just in love with condo buildings and towers and tall buildings. Like, I was actually checking out this scenery because I wanted to do a TikTok dance, and I was like, oh, you know what, this will be a good background for me to do my TikTok dance, but I never got around to doing it yet. Anyways, let me walk real quick so I'm not late. Oh, good. I don't know if you guys can see how cold it is because, like, can you see when I talk or when I breathe and it's white air? My hands are freezing. I'm gonna have to put away my phone. So I'll catch you guys later. Oh my god. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
If I say hello, what do you want me from?
Just say hi.
Hi.
You guys, you know I said it in the morning that 97% of the time packing that salad doesn't work. I packed the salad and my colleagues decided we're gonna have Chinese for lunch. Can you beat that? Anyways, so the day is actually almost over at this point. I think we were out on a break and I came out to show you guys the tall buildings and make my way back to my friend's place. I think I have a problem. I'm obsessed with scenery. You guys let me know if I'm wrong, but I think I might just need professional help.
Well, this girl is taking the video of the TD.
The train is here finally. So you guys, I'm gonna shout out my friend Ren because I met her at this training and she helped me a lot. She lives very close to where I currently am at and she showed me like the directions. So going back home is never the issue for me. I got that all sorted out and figured out thanks to her. So if you made it this far, make sure you say thank you Ren in the comment section, because she really helped me figure out the route back home. And I'm just so happy. Like, I never wake up feeling like, oh God, I don't want to go to this training, oh God, I don't want to do this, oh God, I don't want to do that. Like, I feel like my days are fulfilling and fulfilled. You guys, I'm on my way back home. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys can see me, because here I have to keep cleaning my camera because of the dust. I hope you guys can see me. I'm on my way back home, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys watched it to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.